go.
Vamos.
Go! La 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 la! Hi!
What's wrong?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? A picnic, right? Let's go have a picnic.
Okay, let's go. Oh
Bon appetit.
What is it, mosquitoes? Oh, no. Don't worry. I have bug spray. It's an all-natural bug spray. Essential oils, very good. Oh,
Hi!
Hello.
Let's go!
let's go. Hey. Shh. It's a bear, and it's sleeping. Okay. Is it awake? Oh, it's awake.
A bunny! Oh, a baby bunny like me.
Howdy, partner.
Earthquake.
Oh, boy! Run!
What is it?
Baby elephant. A dog for me.
A baby elephant?
Hello.
Let's go to cover.
Oh,
Hey, Vale, look! The sun is out. No more rain. Did you know in Spanish, trees are called árboles, or one tree is árbol?
no! Go and see Manatee.
Let's keep going.
Oh, no!
Alligator,
Oh, yeah.
alligator, alligator, alligator.
Hello.
Far enough away from it, it can't climb, so we're gonna be okay. Do you guys see the manatee?
Do you see the head right there? No, see it?
Oh, you think that's it?
Yeah, that's the head. Hi! Guys, let's do this!
We should wash our hands, right? You guys need your hands washed? It smells like lavender. Your turn.
Lettuce. That's healthy, guys.
Oh, yay! A square. In Spanish, square, cuadrado. I'm making happy sandwiches.
Yummy! Delicious!
Potato in Spanish is papa. A golden delicious apple.
What you hear?
Delicioso. Manzana. Piña. I don't think it's gonna stay, is it? Maybe. healthy and have fun.